Looking for a reliable angle grinder that combines power, safety, and user comfort? Let's dive into the Bosch GWS14-50, a tool designed to meet the demands of both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The Bosch is a compact yet powerful angle grinder boasting a 13-amp motor that delivers up to 11,500 RPM. This high-performance motor ensures efficient grinding and cutting across various materials, making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. In terms of design, the Bosch features a narrow, lightweight body that enhances its power-to-weight ratio, providing better ergonomics for the user. The anti-vibration side handle further contributes to user comfort, especially during extended use. This thoughtful design minimizes fatigue, allowing for longer, more comfortable operation. Safety is a paramount consideration in the Bosch. Equipped with kickback control, the tool automatically shuts off if the wheel binds, reducing the risk of injury. Restart protection prevents accidental startups after a power interruption, and the soft start feature ensures a smooth ramp-up to operating speed, enhancing control during initial use. Overload protection is also integrated, reducing the risk of the motor overheating or overloading during demanding tasks. One of the standout features of this angle grinder is its variable speed selection, allowing users to match the speed to the specific application. This adaptability makes the Bosch suitable for a wide range of tasks, from grinding metal to cutting tiles. The tool's compatibility with existing Bosch grinding guards and shrouds further extends its versatility, accommodating various metal and concrete applications. However, it's important to note that this is a corded tool, which may limit mobility compared to cordless models. Additionally, while the 5-inch wheel size is adequate for many tasks, it may not be sufficient for larger projects requiring deeper cuts. In terms of pricing, the Bosch is positioned competitively within the market. Its combination of power, safety features, and ergonomic design offers substantial value for money, particularly for users seeking a reliable and durable angle grinder for various applications. If you're interested in exploring the Bosch further, check out the links in the description for current offers and detailed specifications. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this tool? Cons: corded design limits mobility. 5-inch wheel may not handle larger cuts. Pros: powerful 13-amp motor delivers 11,500 RPM. Advanced safety features like kickback control. Ergonomic, lightweight, and anti-vibration handle. Variable speed for versatile applications. Compatible with multiple Bosch accessories. In summary, the Bosch angle grinder offers a compelling blend of power, safety, and user-friendly design. Its features cater to a wide range of grinding and cutting tasks, making it a valuable tool for both professionals and hobbyists. Don't forget to check the description for links to current offers. And if you found this review helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more product insights.